Welcome back to another video of Corporate Compliance with Z, where we simplify corporate laws and compliance for you. In today's video, we will learn how to file Form MGT-7A for a one-person company. After logging into the MCA portal, go to MCA Services, then select Company e-Filing and click on Annual Filing. From the list of available forms, choose Form MGT-7A Abridged Annual Return for OPC or Small Company. In the beginning, enter the corporate identification number of the company. Once you do this, the company name, registered office address, email ID, and even latitude and longitude details will automatically populate in the form. Now, since we are filing the form for the first time, we will select the original option. Now, as you can see, attaching the photograph of the registered address of the company is mandatory. Now enter mobile number, select whether company is OPC or small company, then save the form. Now enter details which are applicable to your company. Enter the share capital details very carefully, because the MCA master data will update based on the figures you enter in the annual return, that is Form MGT-7A or MGT-7, where applicable. Ensure authorized capital, paid up capital, number of shares, and class-wise breakup exactly match your balance sheet, share certificates and statutory registers before you save. Any discrepancy will change the MCA master data, cause reconciliation issues, and may force you to file a revised return later. Now enter turnover and net worth as per the financials of the company. Now, move to the attachment section of the Form MGT-7A. Here, you need to upload the signed list of directors and the list of shareholders of the company as on the 31st of March 2025. The last step in the filing process is to carefully review all the details entered in the Form MGT-7A. Make sure every section is accurate and complete. Once you've verified everything, save the form. You can then download the saved form for DSC attachment. Once signed, upload it back on the MCA portal. Proceed to make the payment online, and with that, your filing of Form MGT-7A for the one-person company is successfully completed.